As the Beijing Winter Olympics is around the corner, winter sports are gaining more and more popularity in East China's Zhejiang, though the province sees little snowfall in winter due to its subtropical location. Situated at an altitude of 1,200 meters, Linan Daming Mountain Skiing Park is the largest of its kind in East China.
集体滑雪真的好玩。
就是想要带小朋友去感受一下这个冰雪世界的快乐，让自然界的这个美景让他享受一下，然后同时也是给他锻炼一下身体，让他能够在寒冷的冬天里面也能够保持一个良好的身体状态。
我今天是特地来这里学滑雪的。北京马上要开冬奥会了，我非常开心。我觉得这项雪上运动是一定要学会的，给冬奥助力，加油！
我们今年还增加了像雪地团建啊、雪地露营啊这些项目，包括我们一些滑雪的一些学校这个体验的一些培训。那我们这个都是为了迎接冬奥，把它新增加的一些项目。
Currently, there are more than 20 ski and skate resorts across Zhejiang, with more than 1 million people participating in winter sports every year.